everyone, my name is Lakshmi Kartikeya from CSC department, currently pursuing second year BTech from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am going to cover basic concepts of JavaScript. They are variables, arrays, functions, objects, loops. High-level programming language used to create interactive web pages. Like HTML, CSS we use for layout, and this JavaScript adds functionality to that code. Concepts we are going to cover in JavaScript are variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. Now, our first topic is variables. Variables are named memory locations that are used to store values. In JavaScript, we use var, let, and constant keywords to declare a variable. We use var keyword. Var keyword is used in many years back. Up to 2015, we used to use var keyword for declaring a variable. But after 2015, we started using let. And constant we use constant keyword we use it to variable is used to fixed value or constant values. This is the syntax for declaring a variable where variable name and the value of the variable. Example, here where a is the variable name and it is the value. Java is the value for the variable name a. Here constant. Pi value is constant 3.14. So we used keyword constant. Our next concept is arrays. Arrays are the collection of same data types. Same elements we can store in one memory location. Syntax for declaring an array is constant, keyword, array name and the items. Here, okay. Example, where is the keyword, numbers is our array name. These are the list of same data type. These all are numbers. And here, where keyword, array name fruits, and these are the string data type array. And if we want to print the array elements, we will get these. We have many methods we can apply on arrays like pop. If you want to take a last element of the array, we can use pop method. And shift is used to remove first element in the array, and unshift is used to add a first element in the array. Push, we can push an element into the array if we use push method. We can merge two arrays by using this method. Syntax for merging arrays are array name, concat function. We use concat method or function and array names. Like that we can use join method. We can find length of the array by using this syntax array name dot length, so that we can get the length of the array. Like here, if we use fruits dot length, we will get 3 because 3 is the length of this array. 3 elements. Our next concept is functions. Functions are the reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. For you, function is defined by using function keyword. This is the syntax. Function keyword, our function name, and the parameters we want to pass in the function. This is a function body. Example, our function keyword and product, it is the function name, and parameters are a and b. This function returns a and b, a into b, return a into b, and when we call it, this block of code is executed. So this is the example, x is equal to product of 10 into 7. Here block of code executes a into b, so 10 into 7, our output will be 70. Okay, our next concept is objects. Unordered collection of key values. Objects are unordered collection of key values. We can store different types of properties or different types of data type in one object. Syntax for declaring object is where keyword, object name, property 1 and the value of that property 1, property 2 and the value of that property 2, and so on. Example, where person is the object name, his first name will be Siva, last name will be Bamidmari, and his age is 18. If we want to print his details, like console.log person, it is the name of the object dot his first name, or if we want to print last name, we can write person dot last name. Our output will be Siva. And our next concept is, and last concept, loops. Loops are control flow statements that execute particular conditions. Common types of loops we use in JavaScript are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. These are also called as iterative statements. And first loop is for loop. This is the syntax for loop, for initialization, condition, and updation. It is the block of code. While loop, initialization, while, condition. While loop is also called as entry control loop. Updation. Do while loop, exit control loop. Do while, we can call do while loop as exit control loop. Do, open curly braces, block of code, and condition. Condition. Examples for each loop. For loop, we declare I is less than 7, and we increment each I value, and we print the I value. So our output will be until 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And examples for do while loop and while loop here are given. Thank you.